Hi everyone and warm welcome to the wonderful video of the credit card life. Do avoid me on the background noise which you're going to hear because in my building there's some construction going on, so please avoid and probably forgive me for that. But today's video is one of those important videos which I believe is very interesting for all of us, those who follow credit cards, those who know credit cards, and those who are holding American Express credit card because of so many different and various reasons. Today's video topic is, can American Express India rule the chart of the credit card king, or probably the king of all credit cards in India in 2024 and probably in the upcoming market as well. Now, I've got certain important statistics which I believe is quite intriguing for all of you, and you will be quite surprised and shocked to hear why and how. So let's begin. Let's talk about some of the important facts. Now, as of now in 2024, the month is October. The market leader, the top 4 market leader of credit cards in India, the banks are HDFC with a percentage of almost 26.60%. You have ICICI 18.69%, and then you have SBI 15.18%, and then you have the Axis Bank which is 11.52%, even more post the addition of the Citibank account of Citibank credit cards in the Axis Bank. Now, these are the major 4 stakeholders of India's so-called the top 4 market lenders for credit cards in India. In this ratio of 4 top-notch credit card lenders or providers in India, the ratio of American Express is quite shocking. In India, as of now, as per the latest data of PwC, Powerhouse, whatever it may be, PwC they call it, they have a rating, and they've given that in India as of now 6.2 crore individuals are using American Express branded credit cards, also called co-branded credit cards. Okay, and American Express in the latest months have got kind of few milestones. For example, now the acceptance of American Express in India is almost 12% and above, which means 12% of the existing merchants in India, those who accept credit cards, are also accepting American Express credit cards. Now, the real reason behind this video is, according to me, there are 4 fine reasons. If American Express can fix it, they can be the market leader. Not exactly in 2024, but probably by 2030 they can topple even the quota of HDFC Bank or even SBI if they persist with this. So point number 1, which I believe is a major issue or kind of a major thorn in American Express kitty, is the approval policy through VKYC. If you pay attention, most of the Indian credit card market are even approving a credit card on the basis of current house address. In American Express, it's only happening when you have an Aadhaar address. Whether you have 50 lakhs income or 1 crore, if you do not have Aadhaar address which you have pasted on the application and you don't have proof of that, you can never ever be approved for any of the American Express cards. That's a major thought for most of the people. And when I talk to people on Instagram and YouTube, the common question is, how can I get my American Express at an address where I'm not available? That's a frequently asked question. So that's thorn number 1. Number 2, card to card basis. American Express is not very liberal like any other credit cards in India when it comes to revealing some of the options to avail credit card on card to card basis. Now, the common reason which we have just got to know of it is the platinum charge card, that if you have a credit card more than 5 lakhs or probably 7 lakhs and above, you can easily avail yourself into American Express on card to card basis. And the other category is you got to have a luxurious vehicle under your belt. Only then you can avail American Express. Otherwise, you do not have an option officially as per the statement of American Express card to card application. That's thorn number 2. Number 3, global acceptance like Visa and MasterCard. Oh man, I cannot tell you, this can be pretty embarrassing for a lot of people. And a lot of people have commented me saying that American Express is not really worth, because it doesn't really work at petrol stations, grocery shops, or nearby decent restaurants or hotels. And trust me, it's a fact. I've also had a couple of times kind of embarrassment, but then luckily I've had Google Pay, and we all have Google Pay, so I could save myself. There have been occasions in my life where I've gone to a petrol pump and I'm willing to fill, let's say, probably 15 liters or 20 liters of petrol if I'm on a journey, and if I take out my American Express card, the first thing I hear from all of them is, boss, we do not accept American Express card. Now, they do all accept. The problem is it's an international card, so you have to have the application, you have to have the approval, you have to switch on the international transaction medium. Only then your card is going to get accepted. and I have done so much so-called tantrums to get my card accepted, and that's again one of the frequent errors with all of us, that you have made the shopping, you've made the purchase, now they do not accept American Express. Even Haldiram's, which is one of the popular sweet marts on planet Earth, especially in India as well, they even never used to accept American Express. God knows why, but now they are in some of the restaurants. So I don't know if they can be as good as Visa and MasterCard in terms of popularity, or even RuPay card, which I'm not sure going to happen. They can really rule the Indian credit card domain. Last but not the least, the rural spread. Do remember, India is still a country based out of rural communities, population, agriculture, and so on and so forth. I just believe if they can tap the rural market of India with some sort of unique, attractive price section, minimizing the card fees and all. There are so many people in India today, those who are powerful, so-called the agriculturist, businessman, and they would love the services of American Express, because American Express cannot be compared with any of the credit cards in India when it comes to services, when it comes to reward points, when it comes to premium feel in hand, and primarily when it comes to 24/7 chat, call, and more often than not, the way of rewarding and gifting people, or even accepting their, let's say, mistakes or issues in a jiffy. These are the facts. If American Express, if they can fix it, these so-called 4 important, let's say, bullet points, mark my words, American Express will never ever go down as one of the worst, let's say, popular card in India, compared to the house of HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, and SBI. Do let me know what you think about this video. I thought of publishing because I was reading some important facts, and all these facts are backed by PwC Consulting Group. Till next time, you take care, and thanks for watching.